Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix mobile guys flash for call setting, how to turn on. Friends, you want to on Infinix mobile phone flash for call setting. So how to use flash for call setting one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, you want to use your device flash for call. Open your phone setting. Open your guys phone special function setting. After turn on special function setting, friends, you can use smart banner shortcut setting, game mode setting. Friends, you can use video assistant setting you want to on, so you can on, and you can use video assistant setting. After turn on friends, you cannot use video assistant setting in your device. So friends, open your phone gesture settings. After your phone gesture settings, friends, you can on double tap to wake and double tap to on screen setting. You want to use three finger screenshot, you can on three finger screenshot setting, and you can use it. Smart screen setting friends, you want to on, so you can use smart screen. So when your device is locked, when you will pick up your device, your screen will on automatic. Friends, last option click here, flash for calls setting. So friends, you can on and you can use Infinix mobile phone flash for call setting. So friends, when your device is locked, your phone screen is locked, you can use flash for call setting in Infinix mobile. And you don't want to use friends, you can turn off flash for call setting. After turn off guys, flash will not blink in your device. So like that friends, you can on and you can off flash for call setting in Infinix mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.